Assalamualaikum. Now I show another exercise for you. This exercise very important for our soleus and Achilles tendon. Now we show you this. This is our Achilles tendon, and this part is soleus and gastrocnemius. So if these three muscle and tendon also work at a time, this exercise when you are doing. Now I show you this exercise. First up, anatomical position. You stand and your both hands close to your hip. Now you start your exercise 20 or 30 counting for the begin. Now start this exercise. Up, 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 11, up, 12, up, hard, up, 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 7, up, 18, up, 20, up, 20. Very simple.